Welcome to Cooking with Gringo. It's Copycat Monday. Why pay a lot for a little when you spend a little and make a lot? Today we're going to make Copycat Chili's Chili Queso. So we're going to start with a pound of easy melt cheese. I'm not going to say the name brand because they're not paying me. We're going to cut them into slices. And we're going to take those slices and cut them into cubes. And I'm going to take those cubes, throw them into a saucepan. Along with 1 tablespoon of lime juice. 4 teaspoons of chili powder, 2 teaspoons of paprika, 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne pepper, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground cumin. We're going to add in 1 can of chili, no beans. We're going to add in 1 cup of milk. We're going to cook this over medium heat until the cheese melts. We're going to stir it frequently. And now that all the cheese is melted, we're going to turn it down to low. And we're going to simmer for 20 minutes. Now after 20 minutes, we're going to cut off the heat. We're going to let it cool down and then we're going to eat. Now let's dig in. Bon appetit. Well, that's pretty darn good. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thanks for watching.